1, 2, explode out. Efficiency, you want to explode out when you do a move. Have you ever crossed someone up, but you don't go anywhere? You need to get somewhere. Cross between the legs, explode out. 1, 2, layup. If you're not losing the ball when you're doing ball handling drills, you're not going hard enough. Remember, you want to practice harder than the game. So when the game comes, everything comes easy. What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Des360. Don't forget about the offhand. Today I'm going to show you some offhand dribbling drills you can do. All you need is a court. Technically, you don't even need a court. You could do this without the layup at the end. I'm just going to add the layup at the end. So here we go. Set us up right here. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate the move this way, and then I'm going to do the move going that way, basically to the court, and score a layup. So we want to combine distance and efficiency with our moves. So for example, I'm a righty, so I'm gonna use my left hand. First thing I'm gonna do, it's only gonna take me 2 to 3 dribbles. 1, 2, in and out, explode out. So it might be 4 dribbles, tops. But what I'm doing is coming down, in and out, explode out. Efficiency, you wanna explode out when you do a move. Have you ever crossed someone up, but you don't go anywhere? You need to get somewhere. So check this out. We're gonna do it this way. In and out dribble, explode out, and then I'm gonna 1, 2, finish with the left hand. Move it right here just so y'all get an even better angle. Here we go. In and out, explode out, left, right. This is what it looks like. In and out, explode out. Right? Get that distance. One more. In and out, explode out, left, right. Yeah. Good. Next move. I want you to do that 4 times. Everything we're doing, you should do 4 times. But for time's sake, I'm gonna show you guys the next move. Same principles. So now, instead of an in and out, we're gonna do a 1, 2, that kind of dribble. Boom, boom, and then explode out. So, boom, boom, explode out. Kind of like the windshield wiper. 1, 2, explode out. Here we go. And then to the left. 1, 2, explode out. Gotta work on that. 1, 2, explode out. One more. 1, 2, explode out. Left, right, layup. Okay. Explode out. Next, we're gonna combine. Actually, before we even combine, show you something else. Next one. See this? Hand speed. It's like a cross between the legs, cross between the legs, cross between the legs. So I'm gonna dribble, cross between the legs, explode out, layup. Here we go. Check it out. Cross between the legs, explode. 1, 2, layup. See that? Cross between the legs, explode out. 1, 2, layup. One more. Cross between the legs. Oh yeah. Hey, I'm gonna remind you guys, you saw that, that's raw. If you're not losing the ball when you're doing ball handling drills, you're not going hard enough. Remember, you wanna practice harder than the game. So when the game comes, everything comes easy. One more time. Boom, boom, slow down. Right? All right, now we're gonna put everything together, check it out. Right here, in and out, 1, 2, explode out. Should look like this. In and out, 1, 2, explode. All with the left, all with the opposite hand. Keep doing your thing. In and out, 1, 2, explode out. In and out, 1, 2, yeah. In and out, 1, 2, Let's go, one more. one more. I'm gonna do that one more time. Why? Because I'm not just gonna settle, be satisfied with mediocrity. I think I could do that last one better. I'm gonna do it again. Here we go. Crossover. Yeah. Boom, boom. Yeah. All right. There it is, guys. As I mentioned, those 4 offhand dribble exercises, drills, 4 times each, and just work on your game. You know, embrace the challenge. I think often we get stuck in our comfort zone. We get to the court, everyone just wants to shoot. First thing you want to do, you want to get to the court, start shooting. Who's pulling up to the court and working on their fundamentals, working on their weaknesses, trying to get better? That's what it takes to play at the next level. That's what it takes to elevate your game to the next level. All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, share. I want to hear from you. What other drill should we do next? You working on your offhand? Are you a flame keeper? Shout out to the flame keepers. Des360. See y'all next time. Work on your game, elevate, train like a pro.